Across Canada, we know we need to look for ways to reduce our energy use and our greenhouse gas emissions. In rural BC, there are a lot of communities, like this one, with manufactured homes which present a special challenge. These homes are tough when it comes to energy efficiency. Historically, they weren't regulated by an energy code, so there's high air leakage and poor insulation. Since they're built off-site, they're not necessarily designed for the climate they're located in, so they can be costly to heat, as much as $300 to $400 a month, and that's a huge burden for some folks. Usually with retrofits, you start with air sealing and insulation, but that's not really cost-effective or practical for manufactured homes. Our biggest opportunity is to upgrade the heating system. Most of these homes use electric baseboard or space heaters. There's a common misconception that it's not worth it to upgrade from electric resistance heat to an electric heat pump, because the heat pump still uses electricity. Do heat pumps make a difference? We had to give it a try.
We like heat pump technology for a lot of reasons. They're way more energy efficient than conventional resistance heat such as baseboards. Heat pumps use 2 to 3 times less electricity to produce the same heat. We like that because using less energy reduces the demand on local utility grids. As more customers go electric, increased demand from electric heating systems can challenge our grid capacity. In the long term, this means that the utility may need to expand and upgrade. When our customers switch to more efficient forms of electric heat, this allows BC Hydro to stabilize infrastructure costs and still meet growing demand. BC Hydro has a lot of different types of customers, and of course, everyone wants to reduce their power bill. Manufactured home communities have very unique challenges that do not meet the typical profile for retrofits. So BC Hydro has an offer to improve the energy efficiency and thermal comfort for qualified homes. Manufactured homes in certain regions are eligible for a free heat pump installation and other energy efficiency upgrades.
My team worked closely with BC Hydro and Ryan's team at Ecoliten to determine the potential savings with heat pumps in these homes, where the existing heating systems were electric baseboards or space heaters. Ductless heat pump systems can be a great alternative to electric resistance heat, providing optimal comfort and cost savings for the residents.
To do this right, we needed accurate heat load calculations for each home. Often, manufactured homes have been upgraded throughout the years with add-ons and modifications. This means that rule-of-thumb heat load calculations are even less accurate than usual. To date, we've had about 100 manufactured homes participate in this pilot program to install heat pumps.
The heat pumps installed in these types of homes provided far better comfort and heat distribution compared to existing heating solutions. They also do so more efficiently. Many customers found that utility bills dropped by 30% to 40% in the first heating season. This heat pump offer has lots of benefits for the residents and huge benefits for the power grid. While there may not be direct greenhouse gas reductions from electric to electric conversions, by switching to higher efficiency systems, we're able to better manage grid constraints. This means that we're able to make capacity available for customers who are transitioning off oil or gas to more efficient electric heat, which has long-term implications for greenhouse gas emissions in the province.
But as good as heat pump technology is, it definitely relies on proper installation and operation. Good data collection is key to understanding what kind of equipment is needed and what kind of heating requirement each specific home has, balanced with the right backup heat source to make it all work much better than what the homeowners currently have.
By installing heat pumps, we save homeowners money and increase their comfort, reduce demand on the power grid, and make capacity available for other electricity customers to shift from oil or gas. It's a win-win-win.